Okay, let's take a look at this. All right. So I think it's all right. Right now it's looking just really slow and kind of floaty. Um, and also look out for these sort of interpenetrations, like the hand going through these surfaces here. And also you're going to want to try to break this up a little bit into poses because it's like the whole body just rotates as one big thing. I like that reach. I think that's okay. I think you're going to be better off if you were to use IK hands rather than FK hands because, if you wanted to get it to stick to things. Um, so yeah, this isn't working well. And I think if this was an IK hand, you could have it resting on the counter solidly, which would make it feel more planted. And I think you need more poses here just so parts of the body turn before other parts. So it isn't like it almost looks like a like it's like one of those rotating music box dolls that's just kind of been being kind of being pivoted around without any kind of inner controls of the body of the character. So I think maybe turn the head first and then twist the body and then take a step. Break it into a series of poses instead of just trying to do it all at once. Let's take a quick look at Maya. Um, Yeah, the feet just kind of ice skate over here, and it shows that you haven't really broken down the individual steps that are necessary to get from this point to that point. So, do it right, figure it out, shoot some reference, figure out what steps you would take to get from, rotate the body around from here to there. Shoot the reference, and then break it down into a series of poses and do it. You kind of took a shortcut just by this is all just one big move. Like if I look at the keyframes, yeah, I mean, look at that. There should be between here and here, you know, there should probably be five different poses, you know, and you've got like one, you know, and then again between here, and here, there should be a whole series of different poses to get you from that one point to the next. This end part's looking good, and it looks like I like the way you've even though we don't see the feet, we can see it going on its tiptoes, or is that just probably a function of that's what happens when. Oh, you actually did rotate on its toes. So that's good that you're thinking that way, even though we don't see it. But the other stuff needs to be broken down properly, because if you break it down, even if we don't see the feet, if you're thinking about what the feet would actually need to do to get there, that can help you sort out the rest of it. But it should all really begin with reference. Just shoot some video reference of yourself or, a partner or somebody doing this action and do that. Because right now it looks just very slow and floaty because you're missing a lot of poses.